Grab rail, sand it down with 80 grit. Sand it across the grain. Still need some more sand in there. Never with the grain on teak. Always against it. This is these grooves in there, this high and low spots. That's where the soft part of the grain weathers away. So you gotta knock down the harder bits to match up with the softer parts of the grain, the inner grain, whatever you call it, I don't know. But yeah, gotta sand that all down. Across the grain to get it reasonably smooth. Doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah. That's one going over with 80. I'll go over it with 120 and then 220 and then the Star Bright teak sealer.